Welcome to this comprehensive guide on machine learning engineers and their role in building AI production systems. In this series, we'll explore how machine learning models are deployed, scaled, and maintained in real-world production environments. Machine learning engineers are the bridge between data scientists who build models and the systems that serve those models to millions of users. Let's dive into what makes this role so critical in today's AI-driven world. Machine learning engineers have two main responsibilities. First, they build and train models. This involves designing model architectures, optimizing training pipelines to make them faster and more efficient, and improving model accuracy through experimentation and tuning. Second, they deploy and scale these models. This means taking a working model and putting it into production systems that can handle millions of requests simultaneously, containerizing the code for consistency, and monitoring everything to ensure it keeps performing well. The machine learning production pipeline has 5 key stages. It starts with data collection, where raw information is gathered from various sources. Next is feature engineering, where data scientists and engineers prepare and transform that data into useful features for the model. Then comes training, where the model learns patterns from the data. After training, validation and testing ensure the model works correctly and generalizes well to new data. Finally, deployment and scaling takes the validated model and puts it into production where real users can benefit from it. Production systems face 3 major challenges. Performance is critical because users expect fast responses. If a model takes too long to make a prediction, it ruins the user experience. Scalability means handling millions of requests without crashing or slowing down. Your system needs to process requests efficiently as traffic increases. Monitoring is equally important because models don't stay accurate forever. Data changes, user behavior shifts, and the model's performance can drift over time. You need constant visibility into accuracy, latency, and error rates to catch problems early. Several key technologies enable model deployment. Containerization, primarily using Docker, packages your model and all its dependencies into a single unit that runs the same way everywhere. Kubernetes then orchestrates these containers, automatically scaling them up or down based on demand. For cloud platforms, you have options like Amazon Web Services, SageMaker for easy model deployment, Google Vertex AI for enterprise machine learning, and Microsoft Azure ML Services. These platforms handle much of the infrastructure complexity for you, letting you focus on the model itself. Here's a practical example of how models are served in production. This is a simple Flask application, a lightweight web framework in Python. It loads a trained model from a pickle file at startup. When a user sends a request to the predict endpoint with their data in JSON format, the Flask app receives it, passes the data through the model, and returns the prediction as a response. This simple pattern scales to handle thousands of requests per second when deployed on powerful servers or cloud infrastructure. The key is that your model becomes an API that other applications can call. Maintaining models in production requires constant vigilance. Performance metrics tell you if your model is still working correctly. Model accuracy drift happens when the model's predictions become less accurate over time because the real world has changed. You must track latency to ensure responses stay fast, throughput to measure how many requests you handle per second, and error rates to catch failures immediately. Continuous updates keep your system healthy. This means retraining the model on fresh data periodically, running a /B tests where you compare an old model against a new one to see which works better, and gradual rollouts so you don't push a bad model to all users at once. To become a machine learning engineer, you need skills in 3 main areas. Programming proficiency in Python, Java, or Scala is essential because you'll be writing production code every day. Infrastructure knowledge including Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for orchestration, and cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services is critical for deployment. Finally, data engineering skills like structured query language for databases, Apache Spark for processing large datasets, and building ETL pipelines to move and transform data are fundamental. These diverse skills make machine learning engineers highly valuable in the industry because they can bridge the gap between research and real-world impact.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.